Hi friends, I'm Arjun and today is our math battle. Listing method versus division method to find the HCF. We've already learned both methods in separate videos, but now let's compare them and find out which method is faster, which is easier, and when should we use each one. Round 1. Steps involved. Listing method. You have to write all factors of each number, find the common ones, and then choose the biggest. It works great but can be slow if numbers are large. Division method. You divide bigger number by smaller and keep dividing till remainder is 0. It needs some division skills but it's faster even for big numbers. Round 1. Winner division method. Fewer steps. So our first round winner was division. So I'll write here division and here listing. So here 1 and here 0. Let's see what will happen in round 2. Round 2. Examples with small numbers. Let's take 24 and 36. Listing method. So 24 and 36. The factors of 24: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Common ones. 1 is always common. 2 and 3 are common, and 4 is also common. 6 is also common, and 8 is not, but 12 is common. So the HCF is 12. So the HCF was 12. Now division method. Now we will do 36 divided by 12. If you here 24, 36. Answer will be 1 here and 24, then 12. Now I'll divide 12 from the previous divisor, 24. 2, 24. Cut, and the HCF is 12 because the HCF is the divisor, and only that divisor when it divides the number which is here, the remainder is 0, so the divisor is 12. Both give the same answer, but for small numbers, listing is easy and fun. Round 2, it's a tie. So both get a point. Division 2 and listing is 1. Division is ahead of listing. Now let's go to round 3. Winner, both are good, so what? It's a tie. Round 3, example with big numbers. Now let's try 144 and 216. Listing all factors takes time and too many to write. But division method. 144 divided by 216, 114, 72. Now the divisor will be 72 and the dividend will be 144. And now I will divide 72 here, 144. Now here 2, 144, and patak. The remainder is 0. The HCF of this number 144 and 216. 72 is the HCF of these two numbers. clearly for bigger numbers, division method saves time. So here, division method gets another point. Round 3 winner, division method. Final result, which one is better? Here, division 1 and listing lose. But listing is still good. It's not like that it's not good because it lose. No. So here's the final score. Small numbers use listing method. Big numbers use division method. Want speed and less writing? Go with division. But remember, knowing both methods is important. In some cases, exams or teachers ask for a specific method, so be ready. Did you enjoy this HCF battle? Which method do you like more? Comment and let me know. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun math videos. See you next time with more math magic. Bye bye.